As part of the Northeast Festival and the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav celebration, a self-help group Mela Financial Literacy Camp was held in Tikrikilla today, the 3rd of May 2022. The camp was organized by the district administration along with Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society, block team and SBI at Bollonggitok under Tikrikilla C&RD block. The camp was actively participated by all National Rural Livelihood Mission, Women Self-Help Group and Village Organization, along with the community and people from nearby villages. Stalls were also run by many departments such as Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gramin Kaushalya Yojana, Veterinary Department, Aadhaar Team, Health Team, MHIS, ICDS Team, National Social Assistance Program, Bank branches and others.